going on, everyone? Heading out for day 63 here. We've got, who are we riding with? Shuffy, Jaden, and Devin, I believe. Just at Timmy's here, getting my morning coffee since no coffee maker at the house. I think this is the fastest Tim Hortons drive-thru I've ever been through. There's never a line. You order, you go to the window, and then there's two people in the window sticking their arms out the drive-thru window trying to hand you your stuff. It's like, holy crap, I can't even grab it this quick. Relax. So you guys know how we always have to wait on someone that we ride with. I haven't rode with them in a few days, but we're supposed to be riding with them again today. We're not riding yet, but we're already waiting for him. Jaden. It's been so long. Let's see if Jaden makes it or gets stuck. We got David. Oh, he cabbaged it. Oh, yeah. I don't think so. Let's go check on Jaden here, see how he made out. What's going on, little buddy? Hey. You like that? That looks really good. Yeah, that looks really scary. Oh. I can't believe you made it through the trees. Well, I was like, I was gonna try to go over that one too, and I was like, I'm not doing that. I'd say you ate the tree there pretty good. Yep. Little buddy. Little guy. Well, you guys can't really tell from here, but there's big chutes right here. Boys are gonna jump it. Ain't that right?
Hopefully the sun pokes out.
Sick. Getting the shots of the boys here. Got myself tied off just in case.
Untie it.
Untie? Yeah. I'll tie it around your neck.
You think that little kick cord's gonna hold you?
Actually, it would, dude.
That's about how I'm holding life together with that fucking cord.
Shuffy's just worried about getting a shot. He doesn't care if he goes down in an avalanche.
If I die, I die. My time, it's my time.
Alright, I'm about to hit this sales Chute Gap. Pretty nervous. Clouds are rolling in. But, oh well. I'll give her a whirl. Ready? It's hard to get a good angle of that jump today over the chute. So I'll put in a couple pics just so you could kind of see what we're seeing there. It'd be cool to have a drone out shooting towards the rock. Then that'd be a pretty cool shot.
Okay. Woohoo! That was butter.
Jaden was just hitting a little baby drop.
A little baby drop. A beginner drop.
No, it's a... I think like... You think 8? Yeah.
I think 7.
Plus or minus a foot.
We got Shafi looking at her. You know, you're supposed to tighten those up so that doesn't happen.
Oh, fuck.
I look good though.
Oh, it fucking hurt.
Yeah?
Really? Well, because I couldn't brace. I fucking pushed down so hard. I gotta get a bit.
This is a interesting bar setup you run here. Can you explain it to us?
I don't have anything good trails. You can corner way faster if you sit lower.
Oh yeah.
You can use it as a finger saddle or blow up, put the pipe on. Uh-oh.
Not sure what's going on up here. Really gonna mix it up here, and you guys are gonna get to see some bow ties and hopovers, maybe. Something new. Not. It's just the rider. Well, guess we're heading out. Checking out my track here, and I think every bar in the track where the lug is broken. Look at this one, doesn't move. Look at mine, and this one, solid.
Time for a new one.
Time for a new sled. New track, new sled. My shock here while I'm fueling up. It's looking kind of weird. A little sloppy. Let's check out the other side. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. It was a pretty fun day out there. We didn't really ride too much, I guess, after building the one jump in the morning and then did a couple drops. Well, the guys did. Jaden's got a big lump on his leg there. He may have landed the sled on top of himself and got a little bit of a Charlie horse. The poor little guy. But yeah, that chute gap today was pretty fun. It's really not that big of a jump, but you know, you look down the chute and you're jumping over quite a hole. So it's a pretty cool jump. Pretty fun. But yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.